Coldwell Banker. Welcome to a true slice of paradise. This home is something that we are so honored to be representing. It's in the absolute most central, conveniently located part of Paradise Valley. You can literally walk to some services, restaurants, schools. You're right in the middle of the city, but yet you feel like you're in a really private portion of the country. You enter through a driveway that provides extreme privacy. You come into an auto court with 4-car garage, and then the home is just gracefully built to surround the auto court and provide a really current lifestyle flow with a wing. It just provides private access to the indoor-outdoor flow from every room in the home. But you'll see it was built by Nance Construction, who of course is specialized in their extremely unique, high custom finishes with finishes on the floors such as limestone, and then we have marble and leaded glass and mesquite doors and butcher block in the kitchen, and some beautifully customized stone window surrounds throughout. Just a beautiful property. You come in, what's really surprising is just it's a very European style home, kind of a Spanish colonial revival touch, but yet it's light, bright, airy, everything today's buyer wants, yet with a touch of true romance and history to it. First thing, and of course most importantly in Paradise Valley, you enter and you immediately know that you're surrounded, enveloped truly into the mountain preserve, and with views across the city lights in the evening and complete privacy and security. There's literally no access to the home other than through your very private, secure driveway. So let's take a quick look too at the way that the interior surrounds also the outdoor living space and provides a lot of really special romance and intimate seating areas, but also can accommodate entertaining for 100 people. We're set, by the way, on just over an acre lot in the central part of Paradise Valley, and to prepare this lot today, if it were even possible, would be extraordinarily expensive. But you can look across and see that we are just looking atop the rooftops, the neighboring rooftops. This is truly the highest point in the central portion of Paradise Valley. And then off to the north and the west, we have complete surrounds with our mountain preserve setting. So obviously the regular outdoor entertaining, we have a tucked aside children's play area if that's important. It's viewed from the kitchen, but separate from the adult entertaining space. A beautiful negative edge pool, all the components you want, but yet done in a really tasteful and simplistic fashion that is minimal maintenance, does not break the bank in terms of utilities and maintenance. It's just done to be very easily operated and maintained. So we want to show you this home. What's most exciting is that this home is now offered at $2,995,000, which is a price that is unheard of for something of this quality. As I say, well below replacement cost if you began with new construction today, and of even more solid and quality construction than much of the new construction. So we are thrilled, excited. We want to show this home to you, and we want you to tell your friends and neighbors about it, and we'll set up a private showing. So call anytime. My personal number is always available, 602-228-1243. You can also email us. We have a team. We're always ready. Whenever it's easy for you, we want you to see this treasure. Look forward to hearing from you.